Todd Pease II. I'm in Warren Tech Automotive Custom and Collision Repair. When I went here, I immediately fell in love with just working on cars and fixing up stuff. So I went to Skills USA competition for state and national competitions. So I went to state, got first place. I went to the national championship and I got 7th place nationally. I got a bunch of free tools, free scholarships, and overall it was a really cool experience. Yeah, I work on my dad's truck. He's got a 1968 panel truck. Right now we're working on the wiring harness, and I'm working on this hood right now too, so that's fun. Hopefully working as a body tech, getting paid 100 grand a year, that would be the #1 goal really. And then after another 5 years, probably owning my own hot rod shop, basically do it all, just make some race cars. That's the goal. I did pretty well by just paying attention and doing the work and, practicing and keep trying. And what I want to bring to the industry is just passion to fix stuff instead of just getting the job done. Watching the car come in and completely destroyed and hammered, and then pulling it out completely brand new and fine, looking really good. It's probably the most satisfying part.